Besides adding a special flavor to salads and other dishes, apple cider vinegar has several benefits that, though scientifically proven for some time, are gaining a lot of popularity now. First, let's understand how apple cider vinegar acts in the body. Acetic acid is the primary component of apple cider vinegar. It works by increasing stomach acid production, helping to cleanse the liver, slowing down stomach emptying, balancing glucose levels to prevent spikes, and aiding the body in burning fat, which can help with weight loss. It's also known for helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Pretty amazing, right? But before you rush to consume this wonder, it's important to know the right way to take it and take some precautions. So, here are some warnings. You don't need to drink a lot of vinegar to reap the benefits. Consumption should be moderate. 1 tablespoon diluted in a glass of water or 1 to 2 teaspoons added to a shot or detox juice. It's better to start with a smaller amount because your body might be too toxic and may need time to adapt to this change, avoiding adverse reactions. Consuming too much apple cider vinegar can lower potassium levels, which can lead to weakness, fatigue, constipation, muscle cramps, and irregular heartbeat. Generally, it's recommended to take 1 tablespoon in a glass of water on an empty stomach. Never take vinegar undiluted, as it can damage tooth enamel and irritate the esophagus and stomach. It's also not recommended to brush your teeth immediately after taking it, as acetic acid in contact with your teeth can weaken the enamel. It's best to wait about 20 to 30 minutes before brushing your teeth after consuming apple cider vinegar. It's better to take it before meals, this way, it will aid in digestion and the digestive system. Drinking vinegar right before bedtime is not advisable. It's not recommended for those with gastritis or ulcers, nor for those with low potassium levels in the body, common in people taking diuretics. If you're diabetic and taking medications, be aware that vinegar can excessively lower your sugar levels and cause hypoglycemia. It should be consumed slightly before meals or up to 20 minutes after, and it's ideal to choose organic and unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Now, let's dive into all the benefits of this superfood. 1. Minimizes blood sugar spikes. The more glucose spikes in a day, the higher the risk of inflammation in the body and diabetes. However, as we mentioned earlier, people with established diabetes should be cautious in using vinegar. 2. Improves digestion. 3. Eases reflux symptoms. 4. Boosts metabolism. 5. Provides a feeling of fullness, helping you reduce calorie intake for weight loss. 6. Promotes the burning of visceral fat, the most dangerous for heart health. 7. Improves intestinal health. The acetic acid bacteria responsible for vinegar fermentation increase the proportion of good bacteria in the gut. 8. Helps improve nutrient absorption and is known for helping maintain healthy blood pressure levels. 9. May help control cholesterol levels, reduces bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol, but more studies are needed to confirm this effect. If you prefer to use vinegar as a seasoning, know that it also brings benefits this way. Adding apple cider vinegar to already cooked lentils is another excellent combination. When we look at the big picture of apple cider vinegar, there's no doubt it can do wonders for our bodies. But remember the precautions we've mentioned here.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Remember to enjoy your food to stay happy and healthy. See you next time.